Welcome to Legit Ideas, the number one go-to YouTube channel for finance and tech. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Welcome to another video on Legit Ideas TV. We are happy to have you in this video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy coins and generally how to use Bitget Wallet P2P. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use the Bitget Wallet P2P. Whether you are new to cryptocurrency or you are an expert, this is a very straightforward guide for you which you will enjoy and you will learn. Now, using this P2P, what does it mean? P2P means peer-to-peer. It is a feature in Bitget Wallet that allows you to send coins to buy and sell your crypto assets. Now, you can buy and sell your crypto assets and receive the payment in your fiat currency. If you are in India, for example, you can buy with Indian rupees or you can sell your coins with Indian rupees, even though the sell feature is not yet available. You can buy Bitcoin, for example, from Bitget Wallet using Indian rupees. If you are in USA, you can buy using US dollars. You are in Nigeria, you can buy using Nigerian naira. You are in Ghana, you can buy using Ghana cedis. You are in France, you can buy using South Africa, and every other currency of your personal country you can be able to buy with Bitget P2P. So to use Bitget P2P, the first thing you have to do is download the app. If you don't have the app, go to your Google Play Store, your Apple Store, or any browser and download Bitget Wallet. After downloading it, you click on the app like this to open it. You click on Bitget Wallet to open the wallet. Okay, now we've successfully opened the wallet like this. Now we want to use the P2P. How do we use the P2P? What you have to do now is click on wallet. Okay, we are looking for P2P. Now what you have to do, you click on deposit. You click on deposit. That is where you can get the P2P. Okay, now you will see the options available here. You see the various options. You see the one written. Now what you have to do is come to this one written P2P and click on buy. Click on buy here to use the P2P. Now you have successfully opened the P2P page on Bitget Wallet. Now it doesn't end here. This is how the P2P page works. You have to choose your currency of the country you are. Remember, you are buying with your own currency. So to choose your currency, simply come over to this place and click on that place. Click on it. Now when you click on it, you can search your country and get your country's currency that you want to use to buy the coin. For the sake of this video, I'll be using two currencies or three. Let me use Indian rupees, for example. I'll search for Indian rupees. Okay, I click on it. Now you see $1 is worth, 1 USDT is worth 91.52 rupees. If you want to buy, what you simply have to do is come to this place. Before I buy, let me show you other things you can do here. You can also choose the currency you want to buy. Look at the various currencies. You want to buy USDT, you want to buy BTC, Ethereum, USDT, you want to buy BGB, DAI, WLD, and so on. You click there. You can also use all these other features. Limit order, payment method, the method you want to pay. You click on the arrow. You choose the method. I'll prefer you leave it on all. It is always set default all, so leave it on all. Limit order, you can just leave it the way it is and continue. Now you want to buy the coin. If you also want to buy from only verified merchants, you can swipe this thing here. You can swipe like this. You can swipe and turn it on to pick from only verified merchants. Now you want to buy coin on Bitget P2P. What you have to do now is choose the person you want to buy from. You can see various persons here. You click on buy. Take note of the amount you are paying. This person is selling for 91.52. This one is 91.52. This one is 91.99. So because you are buying, you will always go for the cheaper price. You can also check their order completion percentage. This one is having a high percent, 97. So click on buy. When you click on buy, remember you choose the amount you want to buy, the amount of fiat, 1,000 rupees. Then you have put the amount, scroll up a little.
Then come here and choose the I'll also network you want to buy with. Okay, let me say trunk 20. Then having chosen the amount you want to buy and choosing the USDT network, click on zero purchase fee. It's done. What you have to do now, they will generate the account details you will pay the money to. Less than the minimum cash withdrawal. Okay, that's less than the minimum. Okay, let me see this person's minimum. Limit is 1,000 rupees. Let me use 1,500 rupees. So that being done, you can now buy your USDT here. What you have to do now is copy the account details that you will pay to. See the payee's name, the account name, payment method, digital euro. See the wallet address you will pay to. So just pay money to this account. Just pay the exact amount you have to pay. See the amount here, 163 USDT is what you will get. What you have to pay is 15,000 Indian rupees. The amount you put is what you pay. Once you pay the amount, you now scroll down. You now go to your digital bank wallet and pay the money. After paying the money, you come back to this place and click on I have transferred. Click on I have transferred. Once you click on I have transferred, wait for some seconds or minutes and the money will be arrived at your wallet instantly. Now let me try another one using the Nigerian naira. I said I will use 3 methods, but because of this video's sake, let me use 2 methods. Now I want to use Nigerian naira. I want to deposit using Nigeria. I want to buy using Nigerian naira. Now you can see that the amount USDT this person is selling for 1,599 naira per USD. So you want to buy from the person, just like the other method we use. Click on buy. Now when you click on buy, you click on the amount. Now if you have a specific amount you want to pay in naira, you type it here. If you have a specific amount of USDT you want to buy, you click by crypto. For example, I want to buy 10 USDT. I'll just click by crypto and I'll type 10 USDT. Then they'll tell me how much I will pay. So they said, okay, don't forget to scroll up and change the network, because it will be set to Ethereum ERC20 automatically with high fees. So click here to change the network. You can use TRC20, or if you don't want any fees at all, or you can use the one with lowest fee. You can either use TRC20, for example. Let me use for the sake of this video. Now you see how much I'm going to pay. 6,399 naira. I hope you can see it here. 6,399 naira. That is the amount I'm going to pay. So come and click on zero fee purchase USDT. Okay, because of the previous order, they will not allow me to make a new order now. So once you click on that place, the same way we did with the other Indian account, what you have to do is just send the money to that account that they will generate for you. Once you send the money to that account, you come and click on I have made payment. And once you click on I have made payment, you wait for a few seconds or for a few minutes for the seller to confirm the money, and they will send the money to you. Now you might be afraid, what if the person scam you? Fear not. There are a lot of insurance put to place that will ensure that you are not being scammed whenever you are using Bitget P2P. So I hope in this video you have been able to learn how to use Bitget P2P. If you have any other further question or anywhere you are confused in this video, you can simply ask a question in the comment section and we'll be right there to answer you and attend to your question. You can also scroll through the apps and click on more to learn other things and get more features about Bitget wallet and Bitget P2P. Don't forget to send the money within the given time frame so that it will not elapse. And don't forget, pay with the exact name. The bank you're paying with should be the bank name you use in opening Bitget, as Bitget does not support third party. If you are paying to third party, make sure the person you are paying to accepts third party. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to Legit Ideas YouTube channel, and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new from this video today. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please. Thank you.